So we are going to install UN1CA ROM, custom ROM for M52, and for that first boot into twrp and flash it using Odin with the help of PC. Currently I am in twrp recovery mode, and first wipe, go to wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik cache and data, swipe to wipe and go back, wipe, format data, type yes, back, and after reboot to recovery. After that, first insert USB or memory card, anything that where your ROM is stored, and insert the pen drive, and I inserted pen drive. After that, go to your storage where ROM is located, and I am selecting this UN1CA ROM. Click on UN1CA ROM and then swipe to confirm flash. And yeah, it's flashing. We have to wait some time. It will take some time, and currently I'm stopping the video. And it successfully flashed, and wipe case in any case for the safe side. And after that, flashing the ROM, go to wipe, format data, type yes, click on tick. Yeah, after that, if you want to have root, and flash KSU kernel if you want to have KSU routing, and flash Magisk if you want to have Magisk routing. Currently I am not routing my device, and after that reboot to system. And first booting takes time, so we have to wait some time. Currently I am stopping the video, and when it successfully boots I will show you. Yeah, it successfully booted. So after that you have to set up your device. Yes, you can set up your device as usual. And after setting this ROM, I will review this. After setting up my device, I will show you what are the features and